wants to say Kagolo has taken over, please whisper it to him. He'll put it in the report. As I said, he's going to be in constant contact with a special advisor to His Excellency the President. Everything you say will be in the initial report of today. And please make sure she gets it.
It was not originally handled by our office. It was handled by Mukono district. But we have come to know this matter recently, and we are going to handle this matter amicably because Uganda Investment Authority and Ministry of Lands, we are one government. So we cannot fight each other. So there is a need for harmonious resolution of this matter. And I promise this matter is going to be handled. So I have asked for all documents from both complainants so that we are going to present it to our district security committee and we review it, then we guide the minister accordingly from the findings that we have got.
You know, Wycliffe, the director the company Iran Uganda Investment Promotional Services. Bano balituwa mu 2014 bwe twasayininga agreement yo dated 2013 kyokka okusayininga twasayininga December 2014. N'emyaka baali batuwadde emyaka 3 yokka. Owulidde minisita abadde liizi yandibadde emyaka 5 n'ono director wa investment so tagambye nti bawa emyaka 5 bali batuwadde emyaka 3. So ettaka mu butuufu twali holdinga kumala omwaka gumu kuva December 2014 liizi neegwawo January 2016 omwaka gumu gwokka. So tubagamba balunyunye liizi ne bagaana. Wano wali mazzi meereere, kiri swamp teekamu ssente about 2 billion actually. Uproot swamp, then tuli dumping somewhere, tuleeta mbalamu nteekawo mazzi gokka. So in the process omwaka nigwayo mutwongere liizi ne bagaana. Many letters bajja wano ne batugamba nti they are satisfied with the progress. Banka negamba bajja kutuwa ssente kyokka bano bakole ki balwenyunge liizi. Saga yonna bano ne batwala bino so ne bagaana ne tugenda mu kooti. Ensanyusiza nnyo kubanga obadde wano mu presentation yange mbadde appealinga ku minisita akole decision eri fair kubanga I'm a Ugandan. I have put money here and I know the government want fairness. Ekazi ziri mukaaga kati banzigyawo because the lease ended and that's against the law. They should have renewed the lease. In any case, but emyaka 3 instead of 5 years. Okay, kati nakyo ekyo nkimanyi kyokka at least they engage you. Nawe owulidde director waabwe agamba nti waliwo problems negamba nti tiwaliwo n'oluguudo luno tiwaliwo. Rwanda is supposed to providing power, amazzi n'enguudo. There was nothing. Wouldn't be here singa kati enkuba etonya. Kino kyakiri swamp. Twali tugenda kuzimba ku trade center. trade zone. In fact, Kampala trade zone.
The minister's directive. Of course, I'm the head of security and we shall not allow impunity. We cannot accept that. Because the presidential directive is that any contested land, there shouldn't be deployment of private security guards. We should maintain the status quo until the matter is resolved harmoniously. But the minister has now directed that the land belongs to the Iranian, and we are going to take over. We are going to make sure they vacate the place and the land takes over.